I'm just here to work, sir.
We'll see about that. Stay late. I need you.
But we thought that Danny...
It's already past closing.
This... can't be real. We're having a baby.
This is everything. I'll protect you both.
You've probably seen video like this going viral on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This is one of the newest trending niche on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Now check out this TikTok page. They gained over 200,000 followers in just few days with 5 million likes in a short time. This channel just posted less than 20 videos and they have gotten over 200,000 followers. This is unbelievable. Look at this other TikTok page. They gained over 3 million followers in just few weeks. This shows that this video is trending right now. So I've created a prompt you need to make this kind of video. So if you need this prompt, type prompt in the comment section. I'm going to send it to you. I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to create a viral 3D fruit video. I will show you how to generate your images, convert them to video, and the tools you need to use. So it is all packed in this video. So before we further, if you are here for the first time, my name is Coach Abby. So if you are yet to subscribe to my channel and you're watching this video, kindly do that by hitting the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. And don't forget to on your notification bell so that anytime we release tools, free tools like this, you'll get notified. Okay, so let's get into the full video tutorial. Okay, so this is our prompt. So we are going to copy the first prompt. We are using two prompts. The first prompt, we take it to ChatGPT and paste it there. So I will click on send and it will generate. Now the response says that we should give our base character a name. So I'm going to name our character. We have the apple for the girl, banana boy, and strawberry boss. Then I will click on send. Now, once I click on send, it will start generating a well-detailed. You can see it has generated a well-detailed image prompt for each of the character. We have 3 characters. Do you get? We have the apple for the lady, banana for the guy, and the strawberry. So we have image prompt for each of these characters. Now, the next step is to convert this image prompt to image. Now, to do that, we are going to copy the first image prompt. Do you get? For the apple. So I'm going to copy it. Then add on to Google Flow. So we are using Google Flow. So if you have not signed up on this website before, just sign up with your Google account or your email. But if you are signed up, you are going to see an interface like this. Click on new project and you are going to see something like this. Now click on this nano banana. You are going to do some settings. Now we are going to switch it to image because we want to generate image. Then I'm going to select the aspect ratio to be 9:16, then multiply by 1. Now once you have done that, you can click off. Then I'm going to paste the prompt I copy. I'm going to paste it here. So once I paste the prompt, I'll click on send and our image for the first character will start generating. So we just wait for a few seconds. So our first character has finished generating. So this is the apple girl. So now you can see how beautiful this image is. So we are going to click on download button. There's a download button here. So just click on download and click on original size. It will be downloaded to your phone. So I'll go back to go and copy the second image prompt for the second character. Then I'll come back here to Google Flow and paste it. Then I'll click on send. The second character will generate. And here we have the second character. You can see the banana boy. Okay, so we go back and go and copy the third image prompt for the third character. So I'll come back to Google Flow and paste it. Okay, so let's wait for a few seconds to generate. Okay guys, so we have our image for the third character. So all we need to do is click on the download button and it will be downloaded to our phone. Now the next thing is for us to generate our story, and to do that you go and copy the second prompt. Yes, once you copy the second prompt, take it to ChatGPT and paste it there. Now ChatGPT has started generating our story for us. Now ChatGPT generates 10 scenes for us. You can see this is the first scene, and in each scene it has generated the image prompts and video prompts for each of the scene. Now look at the first scene here. You can see the image prompt here and the second and you can see the video prompt here. Look at scene 2, the image prompt and the video prompt here. Look at scene 3, the image prompt and the video prompt. That is how it generates everything. So you have your image prompt and your video prompt. Now once you are done, the next thing is to make our images, our visuals to come live. Now how do we do it? Now we are going to copy the image prompt for scene 1. So we start from scene 1. Copy the image prompt from scene 1, go back to Google Flow and paste it there. Then I'm going to hit on generate. And after waiting for a few seconds, this is what the image looks like. This is the image for the first scene. So we have the image for the first scene. You can see this is okay. Now we go back and copy the image prompt for scene 2. Then we go to Google Flow and paste it. Then we click on generate. Now this is the image prompt it generates. This is the image it generates for scene 2. You can see this is okay. So this is the banana guy. Okay, we go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt for scene 3. Then come back here and paste it. Let's wait for it to generate. Okay, and look at it. This is the image scene. This is the image for scene 3. So I'll copy the image for scene 4 here, then paste it here, then generate the images. So this is the image we have for scene 4. Then I'll go back, go and copy scene 5. I don't want to waste time. I'll copy image for scene 5, then paste it here, and look at the image it generated for us. Now I'm going to repeat this process for scene 6, 6, 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, and 10. So then make sure that you download all these images on your phone. As you can see, I've generated all the images from scene 1 to scene 10. Before I show you how to convert your image to video, if you are watching this video up to this time, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button. Make sure you like this video and give these videos a thumbs up. Let me know if you have any comments, any questions. Now, the next thing is for you to click on this nano banana and you switch to video because we want to generate video. Now, we click on 9:16, then click on multiply by 1. Then I'm going to click out. Now, the next thing is for you to go to ChatGPT. I'll go and copy the video prompts for scene 1. Hope you understand. Copy the video prompts for scene 1. Then come back to Google Flow and paste it. Then you are going to see start button here. Click on the start button. You are going to see all the images we have generated on this website. Now you are going to select the image scene for scene 1. The image we generate for scene 1. That is what you are going to select here. If you remember, this is the image we generate for scene 1. So once I click on that, then I'm going to paste my video prompt there. I'll click on generate and boom, our video has generated. Now let's listen to the first video.
I'm just here to work, sir.
We'll see about that.
So there's a download button here, so I'll click on download and it's going to be downloaded to my phone. So I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the video prompt for scene 2. Then come back to Google Flow, click on this start button again, and you see all the images that we generate. Click on the image we generate for scene 2. So I'm going to click on the image I generate for scene 2, then paste the video prompt for scene 2. Then I'm going to hit generate and my video will generate. So I'll go back to ChatGPT, copy the video prompts for scene 3 and paste it at Google Flow. I'm going to select the image scene I generate for scene 3. The same way we do it for scene 1, scene 2. So I'm going to select the image prompt, the image we generate for scene 3, and I'm going to paste the video prompt for scene 3. Then I'm going to hit send. Then it will start generating. I don't want this video to get long.
Why are you always late now?
Work! It's just work!
It doesn't feel like just work anymore.
So for the purpose of this video, I have to skip other parts. So I've generated all the video prompts for all the scene. So don't forget to download each of the video scene. Now once I've downloaded everything, now we are going to use... So the last step is to compile all our video together. So to do that, we are going to use an editing app, which is CapCut. So I'll click on CapCut, then I'll click on Create. Then I'm going to select all the video according to the sequence, according to each of the scenes, from scene 1, scene 2, scene 3. You understand, accordingly. So once I select all this video prompt, so to remove watermark, you can just click on transform. You see transform below. Once you click on transform, then you can use your hand to expand this image so that the watermark will not show. That's number 1. Then number 2 is that if you want to put transition, you can add transition to it. Then if you want to add sound to it, either background sound, you can either add it from CapCut or you go to YouTube to go and add it. So once you are done, all you need to do is to click on the export button and it's going to be exported to your phone. So that is, we have come to the end of our today's video. So see you in the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, share,
and remember to on the notification bell. Bye.